Stoichiometry problem, Part 1. In chemistry, there is a class of problems called stoichiometry problems. The question on the slide is a typical stoichiometry problem. In a question, a chemical reaction is described. Then, the amount of one substance in a reaction is given or known, and your task is to find the amount of another substance in a reaction. Such a question is called a stoichiometry problem. For any stoichiometry problems, writing a correct balanced chemical equation is a must and a prerequisite to solve a question. Make sure you know how to write a balanced chemical equation. There is a strategy to solve a stoichiometry problem. I will explain the strategy by using an example in the sequence of 2 videos. The first thing that you need to understand about the strategy is what does A represent and what does B represent. The amount of A is given in a problem, and the amount of B is an unknown that you are asked to determine in a problem. So in this question, what is A? Pause the video and answer the question before it moves to the next slide. A is hydrogen gas and B is ammonia in this question. The next step is to find out from the context of a problem the starting point and the end point in a strategy. The question says sample of 10.7 grams of hydrogen. So the grams of A is a starting point in a strategy. The question says how many grams of ammonia. So grams of B is an end point in a strategy. Make sure to understand how the strategy was applied to the example problem so far before you move to the next step. You should continue to the part 2 of the stoichiometry problem lecture video.